Today I'm going to introduce to you my secret British recipe. Firstly, you melt butter and lard in a frying pan or a saucepan, and then you lightly fry onion, bacon, and sage. Then you dust pork with flour and you add the pork and cook for 15 minutes, stirring frequently, and you add herbs, lemon juice, seasoning, and nutmeg and breadcrumb, and you add sufficiently eggs and milk, and you beat them well and to bind the mixture until the mixture is well combined. Then you set oven to 400 Fahrenheit degree, and you brush the food with remaining egg and milk to glaze. You bake it for 30 minutes until golden brown and cooked through. You serve it hot, garnished with parsley and accompanied by creamed potatoes.